In this video, I show you how to make a laser music display for a car. You've probably seen demos where a laser is bounced off of a speaker to make fancy patterns on a wall. Well, this is one I did for a science fair that allows the kids to switch from music to keyboard to see what individual notes look like. Recently, I noticed the same effect in the rear view mirror of my car. The beats of the music move it just like the speaker. But when I bounced a laser off it, there was barely any movement. I had to get clear across the street before it made a noticeable pattern. Now, if only I could find a way to amplify this effect. Instead of bouncing the laser, I'm going to try moving the laser itself. These laser modules are super cheap and can be powered by a USB cable. I'm sacrificing an old USB cable and soldering directly to the module. I'm going to try installing it at the end of this spring. The coils are just the right distance apart to pinch the laser in place, and a few wraps of electrical tape or some shrink tubing, and it keeps it from shorting out on the spring. With the laser and spring assembled, I'm going to stretch it onto the rear view mirror lever and try it out. I've made a little screen here with some construction paper. Check it out! If we slow it down, we can see the point of light is just moving so fast it looks like circles to us. And the pattern we made with the speaker is exactly the same thing. But what if we want to project some fancy graphics like this cube? One way to precisely control a laser beam is using two mirrors, one for horizontal and one for vertical, much like an Etch-a-Sketch. In theory, we could draw anything we want, but my hands just aren't fast enough to do it. This laser projector I built uses an Arduino computer to control two tiny mirrors at incredibly high speeds with something called galvo motors. Right now it's programmed to draw a circle, and though the mirrors look like a blur, if you slow it down enough you can see they are actually steering the laser up, down, left, right in a very controlled fashion. But I think it's just as fun to stick our laser spring on our rearview mirror and listen to some music. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.